Okay guys, I thought I'd do a little tool review. I bought these from AliExpress. If you have a look on their website, look up 18 volt battery mounts. These ones fit the DeWalt 18 volt system. 3 screw holes. I put a small drill through. You can fix them to your toolbox, to the inside of your van, to your workshop wall. Very secure, and underside of a shelf in the back of your van. They won't come off. They will not come off. And yeah. Anyway, very well made. They're well made little things. So get onto AliExpress, lads, and look for 18 volt battery mounts. Good luck.